everybody! The holidays are almost here, so I thought it'd be fun if we draw Santa Claus together. And we're going to do that by connecting the dots, details, coloring, and shading. So go in the description below to get your dot-to-dot printable template from my Dropbox and follow along with me. Or what you can do is get a piece of paper, pencil, marker, and follow along freehand. Let's get drawing, everyone. So with your marker, I want you to start here at A because we're going to do Santa's mustache first. So from A to B is going to be a nice gentle line, and we're curving out to through and back to C, like that. And from C to D, curving outwards and inwards. Now from D, E, and F, a big curve all the way around. So we're going swooping around to F. And then from F, G, and H, we're curving up, down, and back to A. Up, down, and back to A. Just like this. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. A, B, curve out and back to C, out and back to D. Big curve around to F. And then we do a snake. Up, down, and up again. There we go, Santa's mustache. Now that we're done that, we're going to go here to what's 1 and 25. So this dot is actually 2 numbers. So we're going to start at 1 first, and I'll explain the other one later. Curve to 2 a little bit. Now you're going past 2, just somewhere over here, because we're making Santa's cheek. So I want you to curve through over and down to 4, and we're going to keep on going actually to B, like that. Now this is going to be fun. We're making Santa's beard, so we're going to be doing a lot of loops all the way through the numbers, all the way to 18. So I'll do the first few, 4 through to 5 and up to 6, one big curve, and we're doing another big curve through 7 up to 8, through 9 up to 10, from 10 through to 11 up to 12, and 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, and 16, 17, 18. See, that was fun! Now I want you to go here to B, and we're actually going to curve upwards to 19 and just past, similar to this side, because we're making Santa's other cheek. So to 19, and I'm going to keep on going through from 19 past about here. And now what we're going to do is from 19 to 20, but we're going to keep going this way to 21, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 25, which actually was number 1. So we're going to curve around that way. Now what we're going to do is go back here to our number 25, and we're curving out to number 6, and we're going to do this part here, which is part of Santa's hat. So from 25 out and into 26, and you know what, let's go just a little bit past 26. And about there, we'll stop. And from 26, same thing, out and in. And now it's a not straight, it's a curve. Now it's a curve all the way to 32 and 33 is where we're going to stop. Now we're going to go a little bit past 33, someplace over here, and go through 33 and curve outwards to number 34, which was also number 20. And there we go. We've got some of Santa created. Now we're going to work on some of the details. Now we're going to make Santa's nose, so we're going to make it from G to G, and we're going to do a curve. But I'm going to start in the middle here. Now Santa needs some eyes, so just past where his cheeks are, we're going to curve a little bit upwards, and then there we go. We'll make some eyes. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Now we're going to do his eyebrows. So from 24 and 23, just going to do lots of curves to make some bushy eyebrows. And same thing from 22 all the way around to 21. Now here, between his mustache, we're going to do a little curve there. And further down, we're doing a bigger one just past the D's to make his mouth. There, he looks happy, right? Now we're missing the top of his hat, so we've got a couple of things to do. We're going to make his hat and the pom-pom. Now I'm going to use a circle template to make his pom-pom. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I'm putting it off to the side of his left cheek, someplace over here. Now what I'm going to do is make the top of his hat here from number 32, and we're going to curve all the way down to about this point on his pom-pom. And then finally we finish it off just like that. Before I start coloring, I pick all of my colors and I put them off to the side first. So in this picture, I've got 3 reds that I picked, 1 for my base color and 2 for shadows. You can color all of your base colors first and do shadows later if you want, but in this video I'm doing everything all at once. So I finished the red part of Santa's hat first, and next I'm going to be moving on to the white part. Because we're leaving the rim of Santa's hat and his pom-pom white, we don't need to color a base color. Instead, what I'm doing is taking 2 different grays, a light gray and a dark gray, and I'm going to use those for shadows. Be careful when you're coloring close to your black outlines, because sometimes the Sharpie marker bleeds, and that means you'll get these black lines all over your picture, so you have to be extra careful. Next, I'm coloring Santa's face and his nose with a peachy, browny kind of a marker. And I've also got another darker one for the shadows. And I'm going to do everything now all at once. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you like my connect the dots dot to dot drawing videos, don't forget to go to my channel and subscribe. Now I'm working on the shadows on Santa's face with my darker peachy marker. And I'm going to add shadows under his nose and below his mustache. Don't forget to add the shadow line on Santa's eyebrows under his hat. I'm using one of my markers to color in Santa's eyes and mouth, but you can use your black Sharpie instead. Now here's the fun part. We're going to add curlies to Santa's mustache and his beard. So follow along with me or do your own thing. This is going to be fun. Now my last step is I'm taking my dark gray marker and adding shadows to Santa's beard and mustache. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you had fun drawing with me. We'll see you next time in the next video. Bye-bye!